one of the reasons why we encourage people to hire an attorney right away when they're diagnosed with mesothelioma is so that we can complete work on the case before the person passes away. That's the best case scenario. If, however, our clients pass away while the lawsuit is in process, what happens is the executor of their estate becomes our client. The best way for people to think about their lawsuit is that it's a piece of property that they own. Just like they might own a house or a car or some other piece of property, the lawsuit is a piece of property that they own. The difference between the lawsuit and your house or your car is that the lawsuit is owned by you individually. It's not jointly owned by you and your spouse or you and someone else. So in order for the lawsuit to continue and your family or beneficiaries to get the recoveries, you need to have an estate set up, and the executor of the estate becomes the client, who then works with the lawyer to continue pursuing the case. The executor does not have to be the same person as the beneficiary. The beneficiary is the person who gets the money. The executor is the administrator of the estate who works with the lawyer. Oftentimes it's the same person. For example, married couples often have the executor be their spouse and the beneficiary is their spouse. Sometimes they'll have a child be the executor and the spouse is the beneficiary. Sometimes people ask a friend or relative or a lawyer to be the executor. The absolute most important thing is to find somebody you trust who's going to continue things on in the way that is in sync with your wishes. And again, having a will that names your executor, names your beneficiary, clearly states what you want to have happen, that's the way that you can control what happens. If you pass away without a will, things become more complicated and something may happen that's not in line with your wishes. So when you get diagnosed with mesothelioma, get a will done right away, get a lawyer who specializes in mesothelioma cases right away, discuss with them what you want to have happen, find the right people to be your executor, think about who you want to be the beneficiaries, and get that all in place so you don't have to worry about it as you're going through your treatment.